gentlemen. We'd like to welcome you to Albuquerque. Local time is about 10:32. For your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened. Current empties put away till the captain turns up the fasten seatbelt sign. Also, please be careful opening overhead bins so the items have a tendency to move during flight. If you have a receipt that says claim at gate, you may keep those items outside the front aircraft door. If you need any help getting off the plane, feel free to remain seated after arriving at the gate, or may better assist you. On behalf of myself and this JetBlue crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with us. Look forward to seeing you once again on future flights very soon. I wish everyone a wonderful evening. Please get safely to your destinations. Until next time, take very good care of yourselves. Bye-bye.